Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then which of the following is related to corpus luteum except? So, luteinized granulosa cells will produce progesterone. True. Estrogen continues to be produced by luteinized theca cells. Luteolysis is due to estrogen and PGF2 alpha and endothelin. The peak steroid production is between 23 to 25 days. This is false. On 23 to 25 days, actually it regresses by 22 to 23 days of cycle. Corpus luteum is biggest in size by 22nd day. So the progesterone will also be highest by 22nd day. Then from 22nd day onwards, 23, 24, 25, the corpus luteum will regress and even the steroid production will decrease. Right. The activity, the peak steroid production is present at 7th to 8th day post fertilization. Yeah, 7th to 8th day post fertilization or 22nd day of menstrual cycle. The peak steroidal production and the highest, biggest size, largest size is seen 7 to 8 days post fertilization or 22nd day of menstruation. It regresses by 22nd to 23rd day of post fertilization. Post ovulation, sorry, 7th to 8th day post ovulation, that is, it will correlate with 22nd day. Okay, after menstruation it correlates with 22nd day. See, peak steroid production by corpus luteum is at 7 to 8th day after ovulation and it corresponds to 22nd day after menstruation, last menstrual period. Okay, next.
thank you and thank you for watching.